Welcome to our tutorial on creating customers in Sigzen ERP. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the customer list and click on Add Customer. After clicking, you'll see the quick entry form. Click on Edit Full Form at the bottom. Now, select the appropriate series. For example, if you're creating a trade customer, choose the TR20 series. Next, enter the customer's name in the Customer Name field. Select the customer type and group from the list, and also choose the customer category and territory. Then, click on Save. Now, move to the Contact and Address tab and click on New Address. Again, click on Edit Full Form. Enter the address title, usually the customer's name, select the address type, like billing, and fill in the necessary details. Don't forget to select the tax category and transport destination code. Check the box for preferred billing address. Enter the GST number and click on Save. Next, navigate to the tax category section and enter the GST number. Moving on to the Accounting tab, select the default payment terms template and input the customer's credit limit. Also, select the company default and receivable accounts. Now, go to the Sales Team tab. Select the salesperson and set their contribution to 100%. If the customer is a trade customer, choose the sales partner. If not, select the appropriate sales partner and non-trade partner. If you're creating the customer for a self-sales partner, check the box indicating so. That's it. You've successfully created a customer in Sigzen ERP.